Welcome back, guys. So in our previous video we have talked about the postmaster process. uh, in this video will be talking about the types of shutdown Postgres offer. Okay, so we have three type of shutdowns in PostgreSQL. One is smart, fast, and then immediate. So smart, what is smart shutdown? In this, the DB server does not allow a new connection but lets the existing connections end their work. Okay, it shuts down only when all of the sessions terminate, unless it won't shut down the database. Fast shutdown, the server disallows new connection and abort current user and exit gracefully. It won't allows new connections, which is the same with the smart shutdown. And also in here it aborts the current user sessions. It do not ends the current transaction, but it ends the process if there is no current transaction is running. So after it you ends the user connection and exits gracefully. It do not require a recovery over the when we restart the database. Okay, so that's why we call it is exit gracefully. This is the default shutdown method. If you do not mention any smart, fast or immediate, so this fast shutdown will be called all the time. This is the default one. Immediate shutdown. In this, the DB shut down immediately without proper notice, which lead to recovery on the next startup. So, how this is like, if there is some transaction going on, that doesn't matter if it is going on or if it doesn't. If it shut down the database immediately. If there's a transaction in between, it cancels that transaction all and shut down the database. So the next time when we are going to start the database, we need then a recovery process, so that will be at the previous location before the last transaction started. So we require recovery in this immediate shutdown. So for production database, production system, we do not, no one recommends this immediate process unless there is some major disaster or uh, client is already uh, not able to access the data. We do not require this immediate shutdown. So this is all about shutdowns, and in our next video we'll be talking about the database cluster, how we have how the data what is the database cluster, how we can have more than one database cluster, one database server on a one database server instance on a database server. So thank you, and I'll be talking to you in my next video.